Hello, this is Madeline Lim, the Legal Service Coordinator here at Lowin. And this is our managing partner and attorney, Jacob.
Hi, this is Jacob Lee. I'm a managing partner at Lowin. I'm specialized in criminal defense lawyer. And it's good to see you all.
Yes, good to see you all. And from this session, we want to give you some benefits or information so that you can be benefited from his expertise. Probably you could tell already, but he's very smart, very hardworking, and then he has proven records of success in this criminal law field. And today we'd like to talk about narcotics in general and into three different topics. How the Korean law enforcement treats it differently compared to other countries, probably where you are in. And secondly, what you need to do to stay away from the trouble. And three, what if you're already in trouble, what you need to do? And then how can he help? So we'd like to talk about those kind of topics today. And then you'll be very, you'll get a lot of benefits out of it,
Okay,
I promise.
let's go.
Okay? So first topic, how the Korean law enforcement treats the narcotics differently compared to other countries in general.
It largely depends on the cost of drugs. So if the cost over $45,000, the punishment will be very severe and up to 10 years in prison. So you need to check out the cost of the drug.
Oh, so as a person who's very far from the drugs, it's very new. So it depends on the cost of the drug itself.
Yes, right.
It's very new to me. So, but normally for the individual person, it could be way less than 45,000, right?
Yes, right. The cost is will be changed someday, but we have the standard of the cost of $45 US dollar.
Is it $45 or $45,000?
$45,000.
Then $45,000 seems to be a lot. And if it's not a drug dealer, let's talk about the individual case. So the individual person, she or he, in Korea, how do they get usually caught or arrested for drug charge?
First of all, the customs. In the customs, the custom officers can check their luggage or the import things. But the other case, normally in the 노래방 or
karaoke.
Or I don't know how can I say that 유흥주점.
Pub, yeah.
And or nightclub.
Club.
It will start from the statement from someone. Someone saw you took a drug in there.
So are you saying that if someone else say that I had a drug,
Yes.
then I could get caught or arrested for that only? Wow.
And if you caught by a policeman
On the scene?
on the scene or not, if you statement in your circumstance what happened to me in there at that place, how can I get I got the drug in the place? You need to explain. Someone give you, or if not, you make you on your own. Every cases we don't make drug by myself. We just
You don't manufacture.
buy.
Yeah.
We just be given by someone. So you need to tell police about someone. So one person makes another suspect, and the other suspects make one another suspect, and they.
So now I see that Drug case is different because everything is illegal. Just possessing it or selling it,
Yes, right.
handling it,
Yes.
import, export,
Yes.
administration, everything is
Yes.
illegal. So you could be charged by someone else's statement only.
Yes, right.
Oh, that is very dangerous.
Yes. So it is very important to make certain statements. It's a very complicated behavior for you, and so I'm trying to make a good position for you to state your own case, and you need to make up your situation. It's just one person, not a people.
So you are saying that you could be charged even by one single person's statement or
Yes,
testimony.
right.
Oh, don't you need some kind of evidence to get charged? Isn't it what the law enforcement is all about? The evidence?
All of the cases in drug, the policemen, they need to send blood sample or hair sample.
That's for administration
Yes.
charge.
So you have your evidence in your drug case. So they don't consider about the evidence. They just want to get a statement from you.
So is it all the same with all other countries? They rely on statement evidence. Is it in Korea or is it same worldwide?
I think it is a very special evidence style in Korea. We don't have enough scientific method in investigation. We just have only one institution, the Korean Forensic.
The National Forensic Service, NFS.
NFS. It's just only one. So the judges and investigations, prosecutors, they don't have enough information about that. They just believe. They just rely on the report from the NFS.
I see. So in summary, what Jacob said is that everything like for drug, the handling, selling, buying, importing, exporting, including administration, everything is illegal. So you could get charged by someone else's testimony only, statement only, and that could be very dangerous, particularly in Korea. And then Korean law enforcement rely on a lot on statement evidence only. You don't need to really have evidence. Just statement is qualified as evidence. That is very critical.